swim team, Coach Jones.
Hey, everybody. Hey, I'd like to introduce our 2012 Slidell Tiger swim team. I just want to tell you about these guys. Every day they're up at 5 a.m. They're at Cross Gates in the water training, and they're swimming against some of the finest competition that Louisiana swimming has ever had. So as I introduce these guys, stand up. We're going to lead off here with returning letterman, senior, and boys captain. Let's hear it for Matt Condon. Matt. Freshman Jason Blakely. Come on, Jason. Freshman Brianna Doward. Freshman Caitlin Gonzalez. Sophomore Elizabeth Hartley. Returning letterman, sophomore, he's not with us tonight, tall Peyton Harvey. Returning letterman, sophomore, Harrison Volz. Returning letterman, senior and girls captain, Jenny Kern. Returning letterman, junior, Matthew Landry. Freshman, Emily Landry, little sister. Junior, Andrew Merchant. Another senior from Slidell, Kelsey Pennison. Returning letterman, junior, Amber Robinson. Freshman, Bethany Santillo. Freshman, Willow Simmons. Freshman, Brandon Smith. Returning letterman, junior, Will Verdon. Sophomore, Samantha Ward. And not with us tonight, returning letterman, distance swimmer, junior, Nick Zarang. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2012 swimmers right here.
Thank you, Coach Jones.